Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we take a look at logging into Yeet, switch to the admin area, and then compare the perspectives of end users and app administrators. Let's start with the admin roles. The yeetAdmin role is responsible for central user management. A yeetAdmin can create new users and manage existing ones, including developers and app administrators. After logging in, you are taken directly to the user management area. Other sections are not accessible. Next is the yeetAppAdmin. This role manages users within a specific application. An app admin can create and manage application users and assign existing roles. There is no access to the development environment, and the application itself cannot be executed. In the developer role, we have the yeetDeveloper. This role has access to the classic development environment. Developers can create, modify, and test applications. They are also allowed to manage application users but not system-wide administrators. Finally, we have the user role, the yeetAppUser. This is the role for end users. yeetAppUsers have access to the application but do not have any administrative permissions. They cannot create additional users or change roles. Let's move on to the practical part. Here you see the standard login screen for developers. Using the drop-down menu, you can select between different databases. We log in using the assigned username and the corresponding password. After logging in, the classic Yeet development environment opens. If you want to access the admin area, click on Admin Login. If no dedicated admin user has been assigned, you can also log in as yeetAdmin without a password. Here you can see the default roles yeetAdmin and yeetDeveloper. In this case, you can also see a custom user that was created specifically for this example. Using the plus icon, you can create additional users and assign the required roles. In the next step, we take a look at the perspective of users and admins within the application. For this, I have prepared a small test project to simulate the scenario. First, we see the user login. This is the view that end users will see later on. If we click on Admin Login, we are taken to the admin interface of the application. Here as well, if no password has been set, access can be granted directly via the yeetAppAdmin. In the AppAdmin area, you can see all existing users, and if needed, you can create new users and assign the appropriate roles. This shows the developer login, the switch to the admin area, and the differences between the user and app admin perspectives. You can now see which areas are available depending on the role and where user management takes place.